So we realized we've been taking our sweet time uploading videos to our channel. So today we're going to challenge ourselves by seeing just how fast we can make a video from start to finish.
Starting now.
I bought the Nike Air Trainer 1s Summit Green Suede. They're originally $125, on sale for $79.97. With an additional 20% discount, they were $63.97. Pretty good deal.
I got the Adidas Kerwin Frost collab High Human Chiefs. Originally $250, become $150. I don't know if it's a deal or not because I saw different websites they're selling cheaper than that. However, I still love it. Kerwin Frost, make sure to give me a good deal next time.
I kind of like this like seafoam green, summit green they call it. They feel nice. They look pretty clean. What do you think, Q?
I love the strap. The strap is kind of cute. The leather is so smooth. Look at this. When you press, damn.
Yeah, it's a high quality tumbled leather.
Look at that.
It's real leather, not synthetic.
It's kind of cute.
What do you think of the color?
I love it. I love green, I love white, I love orange. I love it, everything overall. I present you Kerwin Frost from Adidas collab. Oh, it's cute. Got the logo.
Do you even know who Kerwin Frost is?
No, until I saw these shoes and then I found out who he is. Sorry.
I think I didn't really know who he was, but apparently he's kind of like a comedian, and he pals around with Jack Harlow and Drake. Your box looks cooler.
My box is dope. Okay. 1, 2, 3, up. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, wait a minute. Where's the eyes? Okay, let me see the other one. Oh wow, they wrap it up very, very good. Make it so special. Make it so special. Wow, look at this. Okay. This is the first time I have a shoes kind of like this. The one can talk. Hey, how are you? I'm fine. It's so me. Okay, let's see. So originally this one is $250, become $150, and let me see. Is that his eyes, Kerwin Frost? Oh my god. Oh my god, is that your eyes, Kerwin Frost? Oh my goodness.
Those look like white people eyes. It's a black nose, but white people eyes.
My eyes is dark color. I wish they have some option, but I guess not. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. It's kind of cute because there is like a pink thing, and I like it, and I love the nose and the mouth. And let's see what look like on the bottom. I love it. This is very unique. How many Adidas is this? Let me count them. Anyone can count how many Adidas logo in these shoes? Let's see who wore best, Adidas or Nike. Let's go! Cup or drop?
That's a cop. So cop or drop?
Cup. Don't forget like and subscribe.